New pepper and salt grinder. Okay, that's for the pepper. Oh, we put a rechargeable batteries. What size are those?
AAA.
Triple A's. Okay. So it goes in the back. Wow, it's like 6 triple A's. That's why we're using rechargeables. Because we cannot just keep buying and throw away the disposable batteries. All right. And making sure it's all fit. So how do you lock it? Like that on that side, okay.
Unlock arrow.
Oh, okay. Lock.
Lock.
Okay. Do you want to get a plate so we can try it on a plate? Alright, that's good enough. Okay. And you don't have to twist it. You just put it upside down like that. And it's grinding. Man, that is so cool. Honey, try the salt. The same plate. So here's the other partner, and it's there you go. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, that's all right. That's good. All right, good deal. So is this a good buy, dear?
I think so.
Okay, from Amazon. Thank you.